Hi guys, now I have time before the next group build starts again. So I decided to do a few small projects like this one. I don't even know that should I call this modeling? This is a 3D printed thumb. 3D printing is not my hobby. I have enough hobbies. The thumb was printed by my colleague and he asked me to paint it. My colleague's printer is not an expensive equipment. It is a budget-friendly piece. It works with PVA filament. So let's have a look. What can I do with this yellow plastic? This thumb will have a place and purpose in the future. It will hold a note which shows the cafe costs in my workplace as a fridge magnet. If you liked my small thumb project, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video. Thank you for watching.